World Records Declaration. Here we go.
Hello everyone, my name is Mai and I'm the official adjudicator from Guinness World Records. I'm honored to be here today to make an announcement for you. Our purpose at Guinness World Records is to make the world a more interesting, fun, and positive place by recognizing and recording incredible achievements from around the world. Last year, approximately 5,000 records were approved out of more than 55,000 applications submitted. This statistic shows that it is not an easy task to achieve a Guinness World Records title. Today, I am making an announcement for a record title called the largest building in the shape of a chicken. This is a brand new record. And in order to achieve this record, the minimum requirements were 30 meters in height, 20 meters in length, and 10 meters in width. The building must be a permanent structure that is completed. And a qualified surveyor had to measure the building in the presence of 2 independent witnesses and then submit a report. After careful review of the evidence, I am pleased to announce that Ricardo CANO GWAPO TAM has achieved a Guinness World Records title for the largest building in the shape of a chicken, which measures 34.931 meters in height, 12.127 meters in width, and 28.172 meters in length at Campo Estohan Highland Resort in Negros Occidental, Philippines, as verified on 8 September 2024. Congratulations on your achievement. You are officially amazing.
Congratulations! Ricardo CANO GWAPO TAM, officially MANOK CANO GWAPO is the largest building in the shape of a chicken all over the world. And here is the official plaque of Guinness World Records from London. Ihatag natin kay Mr. Tan.
Dali lang antes mo yatag. I would like to call my 2 apos, Rafa and Ram, to come here together with Shote and Patricia. Come here, well.
Officially, the plaque.
We are now officially amazing.